Let me tell you the absolute truth, and it's something most people will never tell you out loud. Wanting to be successful is not enough. Matter of fact, needing to be successful is not enough. The only people who really make it are the ones that are delusional and obsessed. Whatever ambition you got, business, money, deen, impact, you will only achieve it if you believe without a speck of a doubt that it's already yours. You must also be so obsessed that you wake up, breathe, eat, sleep this mission every single freaking day. And that's why most of us will never make it. Not because the competition is so much better. Matter of fact, the competition is literal shit. The only real competitor that's gonna stop you is you. But most of us will never make it because we're simply not delusional enough to believe it's destined for us. We're simply not obsessed enough to chase it every single waking hour of our day. The reality is you're not losing because you're not talented. You're losing because you're not obsessed. You're not delusional enough to believe your efforts alone can bend the fabric of reality. My friend, you need to believe with every single part of your soul. You need to believe it so much that you walk, talk, and carry yourself as if you've already achieved it. As if it's undoubtedly yours. And it's not fake it till you make it. It's you embodying it until it's absolutely undeniable. And this isn't some woo-woo law of attraction bullshit either. The fact is, your brain simply cannot differentiate between imagination and reality. Neuroscience shows that when you imagine something with enough emotional intensity, your brain literally begins to rewire itself, treating that imagined future as if it's already real. It activates the same neural pathways as if you're actually living it. So what does that actually mean? Well, I'll tell you. If you think average, act average, behave average, believe you're average, guess what? Your own brain literally becomes wired against you. It becomes wired for mediocrity. However, if you flood your mind with ridiculous, delusional, no plan B belief, you'll force your own mind to obey. You'll be in control of what's in here. Do you remember that very famous quote? When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. Most people say they want it, but they can still breathe. You gotta be starving. That, my friend, believe it or not, hate me or don't, it's the only singular way. Peace.